There's a road unlike any other. It begins where the Arctic Ocean freezes solid and ends more than 30,000 kilometers away at the southern tip of South America. It crosses deserts, volcanoes, jungles, glaciers, and cities. The Pan American Highway is not just the longest road in the world. It's a journey through every extreme our planet has to offer. And this is where our story begins.
Once upon a time, there were two of us, Martin and Dana. 8 years ago, in our homeland of the Czech Republic, we asked ourselves, are we truly happy here? The answer was simple. It's okay, but now we wish to explore. So, 6 months later, we moved our lives to Canada. Vancouver became our home for the next 6 years, where we discovered how much we love the wild, mountains, forests, and the ocean. But slowly, a dream began to spark within us.
We always imagined what it would feel like to quit our jobs, hop into a camper van, and just go. No schedules, no plans, just the road ahead. Easier said than done. I wish it were simple to step out of one's comfort zone, save up the money, say goodbye to the certainty of daily life, to family, friends, and disappear into the unknown. But they say if you really want something, you can do it. So we did.
We planned this journey for a year and a half without telling anyone. It felt too impossible, too far out of reach. We've always been inspired by those YouTubers exploring the world full time, wondering how. We are here to tell you, it is possible. You would think we must have hit the jackpot to travel full time. But the truth is, we are far from rich. We just saved hard and sold what we could. For some, leaving everything behind at age 32 might feel like a suicide, and I get it. But for us, it was the most freeing choice we have ever made.
Most of us spend our 20s with empty pockets, chasing the life that society tells us we should want. Education, careers, status, security. And if that resonates with you, great. But what if there's more to it? In that noise, we often forget to listen to the quiet voice inside, the one that whispers what our heart and soul truly desire. And here's what we've learned. Nothing matters more than feeling happy and fulfilled, whatever that means for you.
For us, happiness meant traveling. So we choose to go now, before kids, before mortgages, before more excuses.
We spent 6 years building a life in Vancouver, and then we made a crazy plan. To follow the Pan American Highway from north to south, from Alaska to Patagonia. But before heading into the Arctic, we decided to warm up, to test ourselves, to see if we were ready. And so we flew to Hawaii. 3 weeks of camping across the islands with just us, a tent, and my sister Nikki. That trip was the spark that turned our dream into reality. And it was only the beginning.
This isn't just a story about traveling. It's a story about choosing. About taking the leap before you're ready. About saying yes to the life you've always imagined.
For us, the choice is called now or never.
And this is only the start.
Follow our journey, hit subscribe, and join us for the next episode, where we take you to Hawaii, the very first step of our Pan American adventure.